How to Rebuild Your Life During Divorce. Become Friends by justmymom.com. Most people will find that it is hard to resolve or let go of their feelings during a divorce. They will become angry and feel like they will lose control at any moment. You should know that there are hundreds of people who feel the same way. You will want to seek therapy to help you control your temper and feelings of rage. When you seek therapy, you will also learn how to get along with your mate for the sake of the children. You may also want to stay friends during the divorce so that you don't end up losing a lot of money during the divorce. You don't want to spend hours of your time in mediation or court. You want to be able to put this as much in the past as possible. You don't want to waste any more money and time than necessary, so you should become friends with your mate for the sake of that. To be friends, you should still care about what the other feels. You should talk to them privately and civilized. If you want out of a marriage and remain friends, you should try to keep affairs and such out of the air. If they don't know that you have been seeing someone else, don't tell them. Just tell them that you aren't feeling good about the marriage and want to try it apart. You will also want to keep the affair to a minimum during the divorce. As soon as you place another person in the mixing, you will have someone feeling defensive, and that's not your goal of this. You should also participate in family therapy so that the kids don't feel that it's their fault. You can find security in therapy, and you will notice that most people will be able to feel better because they have resolved some of the issues. They have gotten answers for some of their issues. When it comes to being friends, it's hard to divide everything up and still claim friendship. Divorce is territorial, and the worst of everyone will become evident. This is when you will want to set a day or two aside to talk to your spouse calmly about what goes and what stays. If you talk without the attorneys, then you can keep things off the defensively and be more productive. You can go throughout the house and talk about all the things that you are going to miss and how you feel. This way they know that this isn't so easy for you either. Most of the time, you can resolve all the issues of a divorce by just talking off the record. You can save money on the lawyers as well as the hurt that is involved. You may end up having to give up some control over certain matters so that the compromise will allow the divorce to stay civilized. When you talk, you should never raise your voice. Your tone should be low, and you should try to understand their side so that you are able to have a clean sweep. You should explain to your mate that this is not an act or plea to come back. You have cared about them for a long time and still do, and that is why you would like to spare any of the hardships. Some people will try to be nice to come back, but if you are nice to your spouse in general, things will be more pleasant for everyone and the divorce will go quickly. You should compromise, but you shouldn't give more than you are willing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Just My Mom. www.justmymom.com